I'm in Microsoft Excel, and what I want to do is I want to mark this particular version of an Excel workbook as the final version. So we can pretend that all of the changes have been made and everything has been approved, and now we want to say this is the final version. So first off, I'm going to choose to save the document, and then we're going to mark it final. So I'm just going to type this in as test 3, click save. And now I'm going to go to where it says File and choose Info. And then I'm going to choose where it says Protect Workbook and choose Mark as Final. The workbook will be marked as final and then saved. I'll click OK. So now we say that it has been marked as final to indicate that editing is complete, and this is the final version of the document. So what it's going to do is set the property to final. So I'm going to click OK. And now we see at the top, it says, hey, this is marked as final. If you want to edit it anyway, then it's going to remove that marked as final option. And you're going to end up making changes to it, and then you can mark it as final again. But this indicates to everyone that this is the final version of a document, which can be very useful if you're doing a project. Now, this isn't the same as a digital signature. That's actually proof that a person created it or that a person approved it. If you want to do that, that's a different video in this playlist. You can take a look at that, and I'll walk you through it.